How to introduce yourself and say where you are from in Norwegian. Name. To say what your name is, we use the verb hete, to be called. The full sentence is
Jeg heter.
and your name. My name is. Again,
Jeg heter.
to ask what someone else is called, we use the word hva. What?
Hva heter du?
What is your name?
Hva heter du?
To say where you are from, we use the verb å være, to be. Remember that we change it to er when we talk about people or things.
Jeg er fra.
I am from.
Jeg er fra Tyskland.
I'm from Germany.
Jeg er fra Spania.
I'm from Spain. To ask someone where they are from, we need the help of the word hvor. Where?
Hvor er du fra?
Where are you from?
Hvor er du fra?
Where are you from? Now it's your turn to practice.
Hva heter du? Hvor er du fra?